Okay, good morning everyone.
Good morning, Mr. Gilbert.
I hope you all had fun yesterday. Like I said, it was going to be a short day, and that seems to be shit for everyone. You all said you wanted to see a bit of water. Well, fuck, we don't want to see any more of that.
Why not?
First of all, like, quick one, thank the Indian community for being patient, waiting for us, having the meals for us ready to go. Yeah, like for breakfast, the men should have done a good job. For dinner, the Progress Association. Lunches were done by the local PNC. Now, this whole area, this whole racetrack is not council owned. The Indian community actually own it. They built it. It's their own private function area that they've got. So amazing what they've got in this town.
And then Gab comes along.
I got my straw. So I feel like I'm learning.
That's nice.
Look at me go.
Oh, couple of rigs, a few repairs today. Look out. Pink bit's doing well.
Can't
Smashed
stop
it.
the girl, mate.
We didn't have high hopes for this thing at the start.
I don't think anyone did. I know your co-pilot didn't. He gave us 200 Ks.
Yeah, wow. That's cool, isn't it? Look at that weapon. Got a dusted engine over there. Gonna try and fix that. Oh, look at this sexy man. Hey! Look at that, eh? Day 4. On the tar. It's gonna be a long day sorting out all this fucker over here. Whoa. It's a good day to have a good day. What's going on with this weapon, mate? What's happening? What's happening? Ah. Yeah, that's your problem right there. Ain't got no gas in it. Wow. Oh, copy. There you go. He's on the phone. Suppose we're going to take a spark plug out, eh? Yeah. You get it. Rip an end off, don't you? Oh, look at that shit. That's cool.
Probably done that last night.
I know. Copy.
Fucking idiots.
I love you.
Oh, you get all that coolant off there first. Yo. You gotta need it.
Yeah, it's not coolant. I'll just make sure it's enough.
You gotta fucking.
Yeah, I'll strap it away.
Copy.
What do you do with the rest of it?
Yeah, it plugs
What has
there.
got that on?
You got Ajax?
Got this.
No Ajax. Maybe
What's the time now?
supermarket up to 8:30. He said possibly that and all that, but that's 4 hours goes on fucking veggies. There you go.
Or
You guys have tools or no?
That's what Stacey said, bro. Crack on more than anything else in the fucking engine.
Yeah, alright, I got it. So let's go red to black or black to red?
black to red.
Got it.
Yeah, clear. You gotta catch fire, maybe move the jerry can.
Yeah, grab a pick. Yeah, actually.
Flooded.
Oh yeah, no, I do that.
Today's adventure. Just in the creek. Engine swap tonight. Look out. And then now we've got an extra 2 passengers. These 2 fuckers here. Look at them. Excited. Another engine swap, eh? Let's do it.
Every fucking day.
Got a hole in the bottom of the cabin.
Yeah, I know.
Battery needs lubing up.
I want them petrol.
Not a thing. It had a bit of a rough idle, about 100
Oil.
200 RPM.
Just a little bit in it.
And then went to turn. But when I put my foot down, it had already spat 2 lights and turned itself off.
As we all heading out.
I'll do it. Make sure they're started first. Where's the other one up there? Where did you... Give me one of them. Have you got that one tight yet? You tighten that one yet?
Oh, tight. Oh, only hand tight.
Yeah.
Where's that lip to the wheel?
Beautiful.
No, it's on.
Rolling. Go by one. Oh, it's free kitchen.
Oh, there's a lot, isn't there, Regis?
Are we exaggerating or?
Wants to do it, but not on one cylinder.
Suppose it's this
Might be getting closer.
Was that a good one?
glasses on.
I'm going to smell hair.
The other one in there.
Yeah, gotcha.
Getting ready for boost, that's what I heard. I got an home over that one. Yeah, I thought we were getting ready for boost.
Who's running deck dishes on it? That's the first thing I said. Who's running deck dishes?
This isn't the workshop.
Hey, go on there, bro.
I bet it's forward for him too.
Photos.
I was fucking. Hey!
Hi, mate.
Yeah, you're not my mate.
Hi, mate.
Yeah, you're not
Mate,
my mate.
mate. What happens if you put a little bit of...
Okay, so look, last night we tried to ask all the time to keep the noise down. We've got a few people that weren't real happy about the noise last night, 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. Think about other people that still go to sleep. Some people can't party all night, especially myself too. If you're leaving the rally prior to the finish marker, some people have got to get home, some are closer to leave from here. Let me and Tam know, or Oski, mainly Oski, let Oski and Vicky know, they'll say they're looking for you all day. If you're being towed, please up and pay your fees for it. Now, lunch and dinner tickets, can you just get them off Peter Sinclair, she's got them. Lunch today is at Deepwater. So it's at the Deepwater Hotel between 11 and 1. We've only got a short day, I've said that for the last 3. What are you saying? About 370 k's, but that should take us all 12 hours. So we've got to try and be into Bendenir by around 5 o'clock, 5:30, because there's still got a lot of other, it's a busy little pub and a lot of other bookings, and they want us to get through first with food.
Yeah, good luck.
Birthdays today. Joel Skidmore, happy birthday. And Terry Pete is 50 today.
Happy birthday, Ian! Birthday shots, everyone! Birthday shots! Tequila!
I can't touch it, but they just lose their teeth.
Kylie!
If they're yours, please come again.
And the glasses, yeah.
Pair of glasses.
Oh, I think that was that Sheila that was hovering around here last night. Yeah.
Is that the teeth or the glasses?
They were in Smitty's swag last night.
There's a lot of muffling noise that come in and moaning noise comes from over there. Can you keep that down the middle of the right too? A torch they used last night. King torch into that.
Oh, that's it.
Oh, copy.
Who?
Copy.
Send it out.
Thanks, Brendan.
Anyone lose a pair of AirPods?
Oh, we've got some of your
Oh, I mean, yeah, sorry.
Okay, so I don't need to tell you where we're going. I will because you can't read enough anyway.
Get off the road on the right.
So we're day 5.
I think they want most of our cars coming off,
Bit of a
off the road. To the
late
right.
start to filming. So a bit dusty this morning.
Yeah, where are we going today?
We are going to
Last stop.
Do you want to bring that trailer back here?
yeah, just got a
Got one behind me, go.
bit of an accident
Behind
here.
attitude going 4x4. Vehicle with degree.
Car in a fence, apparently.
Yes, we realise, buddy.
We realise we're instructed. By that.
Where is it?
Have a sus bus. Oh, maybe it's down further. We're not going to get to see it. I reckon. Ah.
Hello.
Hi.
How you doing?
Very good. I wanted to see the person in the fence.
First I was looking at the bush.
On the road? Oh, no.
One minute I was driving on the road looking at the scenery. Next minute I'm in the scenery looking at the road. What are you catching, Colin? Colin's got brekkie. Oh yeah, go for the lizard. Oh, he's cool.
Hey, what are we catching? That's a little,
That's cool.
little baby. It's a little frilly.
Just a baby. Oh, it is. I think.
Where's the frills?
He's only a baby. Grow into him. Give him a minute.
They're not just ears.
I know.
Do you want to give us a little smile with that?
No, won't bite.
Who else needs a confetti bomb in their car?
Is it going to be thrilled? It's Woody and Rita. Oh, yes.
Just got back in.
In Rito.
Yeah.
Oh no.
In the car. Just dropped some, sorry. I'm just here for the photo of
How
you
far
and your
down is it? What is this?
Hey, I've got lemington in my mouth.
Yeah, stay there. He'll chill.
Do you want me to get it out?
He'll chill. He'll chill.
Yeah, he'll just chill there. He won't run away. Zoom in to make it look bigger.
Oh, yeah.
What will I feed him? I'm gonna love him and I'm gonna pet him.
Colin thought he had dinner then.
I'm gonna call him Colin.
Have a chow. Of course you can.
You can sit in the passenger seat with him. love your little collar.
Ready? Ready? He's ready or not? Come on! Say cut!
Okay, next one, Spirit of the Rally. This is the most prestigious award. This is the most prestigious for the rally. We've filled them this year. This bloke, first bloke, last year was his first rally. Come along, whenever anything had to be done, to walk through or whatever, he'd always walk past it and you want to wake up in the morning and you want anything done. Even, then this year he sort of jumped in, he'll work most of the night, he'll do anything to get anyone going. Colin Edwards.
Yeah! Don't recognise him with clothes on. Flag
And we got one more Spirit of the Rally. Now this probably wasn't really hard to choose on who we're going to give it to, because they sort of, when we got to those little puddles trying to get through them, he decided, shit, I've got one of the most heaviest.
Bobby, how you feeling? Look at that, eh? Home time. Couple of little maintenance on the wagon. With a turbo drain leaking. Just got to fix that just to get us home. But apart from that, the car's done really well. We went out a big night last night. But we're going to convoy, I think, down to Dubbo and then split ways. But if we get up to any adventures, we'll bring you all. Cheers, legends.